Hello guys, and welcome to Vegan with Soul. No, this is not my kitchen. This is not my background. I'm at my daughter's home here in Charleston, South Carolina. We moved here last week. And so I stayed behind an extra week to watch my baby girls while she worked, because school doesn't start until next Monday. And so it just gives me more time to spend with them, because I won't see them like I have been like every day. So now I told her, I said, you'll see me once a month until the weather gets, bad, because winter is the next season around the corner. So we've been here enjoying ourselves, but packing and organizing this home so it can feel like home is a task all in itself. But don't worry, we had some fun. Watch this clip. I'm not gonna leave you hungry. I put together a quick meal with kale, hemp, tomatoes, peppers, and onions. You can't go wrong with that. And I also cooked some quinoa the day before. Leftovers is a good thing. So guys, stay tuned for that.
I like all the vegetables that are seasoned so lovely.
They are, aren't they?
They're so good.
Girl.
Thanks. She made me dinner after work.
I did. You were hungry.
I was hungry.
We both were hungry.
Mm-hmm.
So in the pan, we have kale, onions, peppers that we let saute for a little bit. And then I'm going to season this with pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, and some pink salt. I will add some olive oil in just a little bit as well. And we're just going to toss all of that together for a little bit. I'm going to add some cherry tomatoes. I don't know, just tomatoes does something to me. They're beautiful for one. They just bring some life to your dish, and they just bring a nice little natural sweetness to your dish. I love it. It's so tasty. Also, for protein, I'm going to add some hemp. This is so delicious. This is salt and pepper. Now, this isn't made with soy at all, and I'm so glad that I was told about this by Mary Beth, a friend of mine. I use this in place of soy and tempeh sometimes. The only time I use, I guess you can say, tofu is when I am making a dish that absolutely must have it. Like if I'm making General Tso tofu, I gotta have tofu. But other than that, I put this in place for my protein needs. But this is so good, so tasty. You can also use this in a cold dish. It's already cooked, because it's not meat, and it's tasty too. But I just wanted something warm and savory, and this is what I came up with, guys. The quinoa was cooked yesterday, so that's already ready. We just heat that up a little bit, and we're just gonna place this over top. And this was our dinner, and it was so tasty, guys. So guys, there you have it. This is a quick and easy meal. When you don't feel like standing in the kitchen a long time, or you don't have a rough day, you throw this together and you will be satisfied every time. Thanks, guys.